Is your Windows 10 computer running slower than a snail? Don't worry, we've got a quick fix for you. Follow these steps, and you'll have your PC running smoothly in no time. Step 1. Optimize startup programs. First, let's optimize your startup programs. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Here, you'll see a list of programs that automatically launch when your computer starts. Some of these programs are necessary, like your antivirus or drivers, while others may not be. To optimize your startup, you should disable unnecessary programs. Simply right-click on a program and select Disable. Make sure you leave essential programs enabled. For example, keep your antivirus software and important drivers turned on. By optimizing your startup programs, you'll ensure that your Windows 10 PC boots up faster and uses fewer system resources, leading to a snappier overall experience. Step 2. Adjust visual effects. Right-click on this PC and AMP. Go to Properties. On the right side, you will see Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Now, click on the Advanced tab and AMP. Under Performance, click on Settings. Here, you'll see a list of power plans. Choose Adjust for Best Performance to optimize your computer's performance. Step 3. Clean up disk space. Let's clean up some disk space. Go to Settings, System, and Storage. Here, you'll see a summary of how your storage is being used. You can see how much space is taken up by different categories like apps, documents, and system files. To reclaim some space, click on Free Up Space Now. Windows will run the Disk Cleanup tool. This tool scans your system for files you can safely delete. You can select which types of files you want to remove, like temporary files, downloaded program files, and more. Be cautious not to delete important files, especially in the Downloads and Documents categories. Confirm your choices by clicking Delete Files. Windows will now clean up the selected files, freeing up valuable disk space. Step 4. Update drivers. Updating your drivers can also help. Open Device Manager to check for updates. Make sure to update your graphics and network drivers, as they significantly impact performance. Step 5. Restart your PC. Now, it's time to restart your PC to apply all the changes. Your Windows 10 should now be running smoother and faster, and there you have it, a quick fix for Windows 10 lagging and slow performance. Enjoy your improved PC experience.